Today we're going to talk to you about the TSO Products GRS-16PE Parallel Edge Guide Rail Square. The first thing to take note about this guide rail square is how lightweight it is, weighing in at under 1 kilo. Attaching the square to the rail couldn't be easier. Unlike some other guide rail squares, it just requires one quick action to clip to the guide rail. Simply slide in and clip on. The clip has a plastic coating which ensures there is no marking on the track. One of our favourite features of this square is the balance. TSO have naturally balanced the square, whereas other models feature a counterweight clip. This square is for 90-degree cuts and can be used either side of the workpiece. If the referencing edge is on the far side of the table, the square can easily be moved to the far side of the workpiece. If you don't think you'll need referencing on the opposite side of the workpiece, the TSO Products GRS-16 guide rail square is also available and is a slightly cheaper option with all the same features.